You are welcome back to our mathematics class. Today is going to be another exciting class in the aspect of statistics. Today we are going to be talking about measures of spread. Measures of spread. But before we venture properly into this, if you are a new member on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent contents. When you click the bell for the second time, it pops up. Click the personalize. This means that you will be seeing my subsequent classes. Now, measures or spread. Measures or spread is the degree to which a data is scattered about its average value, about its average position. So, the measure of spread is also called measure of dispersion. Examples of measures of spread are the range, the mean deviation, variance, the standard deviation, and the interquartile range. But in today's class, we are going to be looking at the range and the interquartile range. So let us move on. The first one we'll talk about is the range. The range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value in a given data, which means that the range is talking about the extreme, that is the highest and the lowest. Example 1, the ages of 10 students in a class are given below. Find the range of their ages. The first one is we need to know the highest value here and the lowest value here. Let's look at it very well. The highest value here is 17, and the lowest value, when you look at it very well, is giving us 14.1. 14.1. So to calculate the range will be the highest value, as we said, is 17 minus the lowest value, which is 14.1. So we take away 14.1 from 17. We have 2.9. So the range of this value is equals to 2.9. Example 2. A group of numbers are written in ascending order of magnitude as x minus 2, 8, 8 plus x, 12, x plus 14. Find the range of the number. The first thing we take note of this ascending order. So the word ascending means arrangement from the smallest to the highest value. Meaning that this number has been arranged from the smallest to the highest. Meaning this is the smallest and this is what? Highest. But let us assume the statement ascending order is not here. You have to determine which one is the smallest or which one is the highest. And this one is very easy to determine. What to do is assume x to be any number. Let us assume s to be 2. Let x equals to 2. So here we're going to have 2 minus 2. I have 0. So we have 8. So here we have 8 plus 2. I have 10. Then we have 12. Then we have 2 plus 14. We have 16. So you can determine the lowest and the highest value if at all it wasn't stated that it is in ascending order. But now it is stated that it's ascending order, meaning the smallest is the starting and the largest is the end. So our range now, range will equal to the highest value, which is x plus 14 minus the lowest value, x minus 2. So you have to put it in brackets that way. So x plus 14. Please take notes. Whenever you are having a negative like this, this one must be in bracket because the negative will affect both of them. If it is positive, it doesn't mean. It won't affect anything. But the negative will affect both of them. So minus times plus, minus x, minus times minus plus 2. So we collect like terms, x minus x, then plus 14 plus 2. S minus s means 1 minus 1, we have 0. 14 plus 2, we have 16. Now, the range is 16. When you now come here as well, this number you assume, you are going to get the same thing as well. Highest value 16 minus lowest value 0. So 16 minus 0 give us what? 16. Example 3. The table below shows the frequencies f of some children of age x years. We have the children, they are the x, and we have the frequency, which is what? Y. Now, find the range of their ages. This is very simple. Despite the fact that it's in the table, it doesn't affect what is the meaning of range. So that is checking the highest value of that age and lowest value. So for the age, the highest value is x and lowest value is 1. So here we have so for the range, we have highest value minus lowest value. So the highest value of the age is 8, minus the lowest one here is 1. So 8 minus 1, we have what? 7. So the range is equals to 7. So the next one we are going to be discussing under measures of spread is a quartiles. The word quartiles, we all know it means 4. That is dividing the cumulative frequency into 4 portions. Before we proceed very well, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share my classes. Thank you. Now, we're going to have the first quarter, which is called the Q1, the second quarter, which is called the middle quarter, Q2, and the third quarter, which is called the Q3. Then the last quarter is going to be the interquartile range and the semi-interquartile range. They are two together. Okay, don't forget the cumulative frequency. The first quarter. So these are the quarters that we have, 4 divisions. First quarter, which is this is Q1. That one is 1/4 of cumulative frequency. You know, quarter is 4. So the first quarter is going to be 1/4 of that cumulative frequency. While the second quarter is otherwise known as the middle quarter, that is Q2, 2/4 of cumulative frequency, meaning 1/2 of the cumulative frequency. Then the third quarter, that is the Q3, 3/4 of our cumulative frequency. Then fourth quarter, this one is divided into 2. The first one is interquartile range. That is the difference between Q3 and Q1. While the semi-interquartile range, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So how do we now apply this into our calculation? So let's proceed. Example 1. The marks of a certain number of students in a class are given below. What is the semi-interquartile range? Don't forget, to solve quartile, we need cumulative frequency. So let's proceed. Let's put this in a table. The first value, the marks, we have marks. Then, followed by frequency. Then followed by cumulative frequency. Let me say CF. So, let us form our table for this set of data. Our marks, when you look at these marks, the lowest number there is 5, followed by 6, we have 7, 8, 9, we don't have 10, we don't have 11, but we have 12, we have 15, then 17, 21, and 28. Now, we now say, how many 5 do we have here? 1, that is 1, that is frequency. The number of times it appears. How many 6? 1. That is 1 as well. How many 7? 1, that is 1. Then 8, 1, 2. How many? 9, 1. 12, 1 as well. 15, 1, 2. 17, 1, just 1 17. 21 also is 1. 28 is 1. Okay. The next one is to now find the cumulative frequency. Don't forget from our previous classes under mean and under median, how to find the cumulative frequency. The first value of the frequency here is 1. Second one will now be 1 plus 1, we have 2. Then 2 plus 1, we have 3. Are we together? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 now. Then this 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 1, 11. Plus 1, 12. So the cumulative frequency here is equals to 12. We can now go to our question. The question says, what is the semi-interquartile range? Don't forget, semi-interquartile range. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, while semi-interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Which means that we have to find the value of Q3, we have to get the value of Q1, then we take it away from each other and divide it by 2. Okay? Q3 equals to 3 over 4 of cumulative frequency. That is 3 over 4 multiplied by our cumulative frequency there is 12. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. 3 times 3 we have what? 9. We've gotten that. Then our Q1 equals to 1 over 4 of cumulative frequency. 1 over 4 multiplied by 12. 4 here 1, 4 here 3. 3 times 1 we have what? 3. We've gotten our Q3 to be 9, our Q1 to be 3. So we can now substitute into this. So here we can now have our Q3 is 9. 9 minus 3 divided by 2. 9 minus 3, we have 6 divided by 2. 2 goes in 6, we have what? 3. So our semi-interquartile range is equals to 3. The next question, that's example 2. The table below gives the shoe sizes of 12 students in a class. Find the semi-interquartile range. The first thing is to get the cumulative frequency of this table. Now, this is the table. We have this shoe sizes and we have the number of students. So the number of students is our frequency. Don't forget, it's our frequency. Now, to get the cumulative frequency, the first frequency here is 3. So we have, second one will be 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 12, we have 11. 11 plus 1, we have 12. And I want to find the semi-interquartile range. And don't forget, to find the semi-interquartile range, we must get our Q3 and our Q1. So Q3 is equal to 3 over 4 of our cumulative frequency. That is 3 divided by 4 multiplied by cumulative frequency. The last value here is 12. This here 1, this here 3. So we have 9. Then our Q1 is 1 over 4 of cumulative frequency. 1 over 4 multiplied by 12. So we have 3. That is 3 times 1 is 3. So we've gotten our Q3 and our Q1. Then our semi-interquartile range. Semi-interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Our Q3 is 9 minus 3 divided by 2. that is 6/2, which gives what? 3. So this is how to calculate the quartiles. So any question you are given to calculate, either the semi-interquartile range, either the Q1, Q2, or Q3, you are going to do it using the same method with the formula given to us earlier. So I remain your tutor, Latif Ismaila Akombi, your mathematics and chemistry tutor. Don't forget to share this lesson to other members for them to benefit. Like it and leave a review as you leave the class. We are going to meet in the next class where we are going to be talking about the variance and standard deviation. You can't afford to miss this class, so stay tuned and be expecting the next class. You can lay your hands on the exercises coming shortly. Thank you very much.